One rounded rep. That's all it takes to wreck your spine. The barbell row builds a powerful back. But most lifters are doing it wrong, and every single day. Here's what's inside your spine. A soft disc between every vertebra. Healthy and neutral, it spreads the load evenly. Under normal load, it stays stable. No damage. But round your back and the disc gets squeezed unevenly. This is a disc herniation. It doesn't warn you first. It can pinch a nerve in sending pain straight down your leg. Look at this. Head down. Back curved like a question mark. This is what fatigue looks like on your fourth set. Your neck takes the hit too. Strained and overloaded. Rep after rep, your form breaks down without warning. Now watch the fix. Hip hinge, chest up, spine straight, 45 degrees at the hips. Lower back stays neutral. Rhomboid squeeze. Lats fire. Your spine stays safe. Brace your core first. It's your natural weight belt. Rule 1, hinge at the hips, never the waist. Rule 2, keep the bar close the entire way up. Rule 3, if your back rounds, the weight's too heavy, drop it. You don't get a second spine, protect this one. Same lift, two very different futures for your back. Row smart and your spine lasts a lifetime. If this saved your back, send it to someone who rows.